Accidents happen every day. With this comes a demand for collision repair technicians who have the right knowledge and experience to help fix the vehicles involved. Universal Technical Institute's Houston, Texas campus offers a collision repair and refinish technology program to help train the next generation of skilled trade professionals for these careers. The collision repair program was developed with I-CAR, the provider of collision repair training standards, as defined by the industry. The program was also created in conjunction with 5 industry-leading manufacturers: 3M, Autotex, Axalta, Chief Automotive Technologies, and Information Services, Inc. Students in the collision repair program learn how to repair and refinish structural and non-structural damage, how to prepare cost estimates on all phases of repair and refinishing, and how to repair mechanical and electrical damage. Students can graduate from the program in just 51 to 54 weeks. With a demand for skilled trade professionals and classes starting every 3 to 6 weeks, UTI Houston's Collision Repair and Refinish Technology program can help you prepare for a future you're excited about. Check out the links in the description to learn more, or visit uti.edu/Houston.